Welcome back to Beautyistic, where today's review is all about adding that touch of glow without going overboard. If you're looking for a highlighter that delivers a luminous, ultra-reflective shine with minimal effort, you're in the right place. We're checking out the blinc Glow and Go Cream Stick Highlighter in Moonlight Gleam, a champagne-hued beauty that promises to work its magic on both your face and body. The blinc Glow and Go Cream Stick Highlighter is compact, travel-friendly, and promises a glowing finish that's subtle yet impactful. Packaged in a sleek, easy-to-use stick format, it's designed to give you a high-impact highlight in seconds, whether you're applying it to your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, or collarbones for that extra bit of shine. When I first tried the highlighter, I was immediately struck by how creamy the formula was. It glided on effortlessly and blended beautifully into my skin. The shade Moonlight Gleam is a soft champagne gold with just the right amount of shimmer, not too glittery, which I personally love. It felt lightweight, almost as if it wasn't there, but the shine was absolutely present. During real-world testing, I used it both on my face and body. For my face, I applied it to the high points, cheekbones, down the nose, and on my Cupid's bow. I found it easy to build up for a more intense shine or keep it subtle for a dewy finish, depending on my mood. For the body, I swiped it along my collarbones and shoulders, and it instantly elevated the look with a beautiful sheen. Whether I was going for a natural glow or more glam, it had me covered. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the pro side, the product is incredibly versatile. The formula is buildable, so whether you want a soft glow or something more striking, you're in control. The application is mess-free, thanks to the stick format, and I appreciate how smooth it feels on the skin. No tacky residue. The packaging is also travel-friendly, which is great for anyone on the go. However, it's not all perfect. The 0.1235 ounces size is fairly small, so if you plan to use this regularly, it might not last as long as some other highlighters in larger compacts. Also, while the Moonlight Gleam shade is stunning, it's quite warm in tone. If you have cooler undertones, you might not get the same effect, and it could appear a bit too yellow gold on your skin. In terms of value for money, you're paying for a luxury product. It's not the most budget-friendly option out there, but the quality and convenience of the application justify the price. If you're someone who's often on the move or prefers a more understated, glowy look, this could be well worth it. When compared to other highlighter sticks, the blinc Glow and Go stands out for its smooth application and the fact that it works on both face and body. Some other stick highlighters can be a bit too oily or difficult to blend, but this one doesn't leave any sticky residue and is easy to build without getting patchy. However, if you're after something that will last all day without touch-ups, you might want to consider something more long-wearing, as this one does need a little maintenance throughout the day. The build quality is solid, and the stick feels sturdy and durable, with a secure twist-up mechanism. It's definitely portable, so you can stash it in your purse for quick application whenever you need it. While the product doesn't mention any specific shelf life, I expect it to last a good few months with regular use. But keep in mind, because of the smaller size, you'll likely go through it quicker. As for customer support, I didn't have direct contact with blinc's team, but they're generally known for their responsive customer service. So if you ever need assistance, you're likely to get a helpful reply. While this product doesn't have any major updates or reformulations to note, it's a great option if you're looking for a highlighter that offers flexibility and convenience. If you're thinking this one's a bit on the pricey side, there are some similar highlighter sticks out there from brands like ColourPop and Fenty Beauty. They may be a little more affordable while still delivering that glowing, lit-from-within look. But if you're after a more premium feel with that easy application and glowing finish, this one certainly stands its ground. So, would I recommend it? If you're someone who loves a quick, easy, and versatile highlighter that works on both face and body, this is definitely worth considering. It's got the glow, the texture, and the portability that make it stand out from the crowd. But if you're not keen on a warm-toned highlighter or prefer a longer-lasting formula, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.